Samsung's dominance in the smartphone space needs no introduction. It is so dominant that it is almost synonymous with the term Android. We all agree the Korean company has been able to achieve this landmark, mainly through its Galaxy S lineup. But did you know Samsung controls more than half of the world's foldable smartphone market? Yep, that's right. This success is due to its unique marketing strategies, early market entry, strong manufacturing power, and other factors. I will be taking you through all the reasons that have made Samsung dominate in the foldable space. So grab some popcorn and enjoy. The history of foldable smartphones dates back to as early as 2013. Many tech companies such as Huawei, Lenovo, LG, and of course Samsung are some of the early proponents of this innovation. Here is an example of Samsung's foldable smartphone concept in 2014. Many of these brands proposed different ideas and concepts of how they planned to design their foldables. But the problem was how to convert the idea into reality. It seems Samsung's concept was the most practical of them all, as it was the first to launch a commercially available foldable smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy Fold, in 2019. Although Huawei and Motorola launched their Mate X and Razr 2020 shortly after, Samsung's first entry gained its brand recognition and market share, gaining the Korean company an upper hand against other competitors. Samsung's advanced marketing strategy is another reason for its dominance. More on that next. Different brands have different marketing strategies based on their products and their targeted customers. The question is, are these marketing strategies effective, and how functional are they against others? These are questions that Samsung has found the right answers to. One of Samsung's main marketing strategies focuses on developing new, innovative products that are supported by strong branding and promotional campaigns. For example, Samsung has successfully established the statement that the folds are the future of computing, whereas the flips give a sense of fashionable, compact smartphones. Another strategy is developing superior high-quality and stylish products that come with very affordable prices. An instance is the Galaxy Fold 4, which comes with a stylish design, a 4,400 mAh strong battery, improved main and cover screens optimized for multitasking, etc. Despite being the most feature-packed foldable smartphone on the market, its price tag still ranks amongst the cheapest folds today. Samsung's marketing strategy is closely related to the lack of strong competition. That's next. But before that, please take a second to subscribe to our channel. We have more of such content on Samsung smartphones. You don't want to miss any of our uploads.
Do it now.
Let's continue. In the foldable smartphone space, Samsung's position is almost unbeatable, especially in the United States. This is not to say it is the most popular smartphone brand in the US. There are several other options available such as Google, Motorola, and of course, Apple. In fact, Apple has reclaimed its position earlier this year as the world's biggest smartphone manufacturing company from Samsung, and it did this without any foldable smartphone in its lineup.
Impressive.
Why then is Samsung not having any real competitor? The answer is simple. Apple, which has a bigger market share like Samsung, has no interest in manufacturing foldable smartphones, at least for now. Instead, they are focused on virtual and augmented reality devices. Although there are other foldables such as Google Pixel Fold, Motorola Razr Plus and Razr 40 Ultra, Microsoft Surface Duo 2, etc. None of them has a large and ready market for foldables like Samsung. That is partly due to some US restrictions on other competitors such as Huawei. Details next. It is true Samsung owes its dominance to other factors, but there is no doubt prominent among Samsung's advantages over other competing brands in the foldable space is the restrictions on major competitors such as Huawei. The United States sanctions on Huawei effectively ban the tech giant from accessing computer chips made using US software and equipment. As the world's biggest supplier of such chips, cutting supply to Huawei means that the smartphone manufacturers will now have to produce smartphones with no 5G connectivity.
Not good. Not good at all.
They wouldn't also be able to use neither Google's Android operating system nor its popular apps such as Google Maps. This comes as a huge blow to Huawei, since their recent foldables can no longer meet the needs of customers who prefer faster 5G internet connectivity. The only option then is to look for other options that provide the missing features of the Huawei Mate X3, for example. And Samsung is one of them, if not the most likely option left, because of their unique technological expertise and strong manufacturing power. Samsung has been able to establish itself as the biggest smartphone manufacturing company in the world. Only Apple comes close in terms of Samsung's production and distribution power. Of course, larger manufacturing facilities mean that Samsung is able to produce more foldable smartphones than other brands, again cementing its dominance in the foldable space. Samsung currently employs over 270,000 people worldwide and functions in 74 countries. Only a few foldable smartphone manufacturers such as LG and Huawei come close to this huge number of employees constantly working on new products. It is not surprising that a research organized by Omdia in 2023 confirmed Samsung's dominance. According to the report, Samsung is the largest original equipment manufacturer, OEM, in the foldable smartphone market. To date, Samsung has shipped over 10 million units, accounting for more than 88% of the foldable smartphone market, which is also the only brand in the market with over 10 million foldable smartphones. These figures clearly show how dominant Samsung is. Which other factors do you think account for Samsung's dominance in the foldable space? Let's get interactive in the comments section below. If you think Samsung has done a good job with the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4, then you should wait for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. You will be blown away. We have exclusive details of the upcoming product in the next video. Click on the link to be one of the first to know all about it, and see you next time.